Hi, welcome to Technology Evolution. Today we're diving into some incredible technologies that are already shaping our world and could change it even more in the near future. AI that do not need humans anymore. Is that really possible? Or is it just another science fiction fantasy? In this video, we'll explore the reality behind autonomous AI systems, how far they've come, what they can actually do, and where the human role still matters. First, let's be clear. When we say AI that doesn't need humans, we don't mean machines taking control or replacing all human roles. What we really mean is AI systems that can perform specific tasks on their own, without needing constant human direction. These systems are known as autonomous or semi-autonomous, and while they may seem independent, they still rely heavily on human oversight for their creation, supervision, and correction. Let's look at some real-world examples that demonstrate this growing autonomy. AutoML is an AI that builds and trains other AI models. It automates the model development process, making machine learning more accessible. But even AutoML needs humans to define goals, validate outputs, and intervene when things go wrong. Language models like GPT can write essays, generate code, and hold conversations, often without human help during the task itself. Robotic Process Automation, RPA. In many companies, RPA bots handle repetitive office tasks such as data entry or report generation. These bots can operate 24/7, but they struggle with anything outside of their programming. When systems fail, humans are the ones who step in. Autonomous vehicles and drones. Self-driving cars and drones, developed by companies like Tesla, Waymo, and DJI, use sensors and AI to make split-second decisions. But most are not fully autonomous. They require remote monitoring, and laws often mandate human backup for safety. While these examples are impressive, all of them fall under what is called narrow AI designed for a specific purpose. We still don't have general AI, a system that can learn and reason across multiple domains like a human. Real-world AI still depends on human-defined rules, goals, and ethical boundaries. AI is advancing quickly. In the coming years, systems may become more capable of operating independently in certain environments, but they will always need human input to ensure they align with our goals and values. Whether in healthcare, transport, or education, human responsibility remains essential. So, can AI function without humans? In specific tasks, yes. But in a broader sense, humans remain central to every stage of AI's development and deployment. AI can work alone, but it still exists because of us and for us. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech stories. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.